going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Silver Gold Podcast. Today, I was just walking around Las Vegas, lost a lot of money in the casino, kind of upset stomach, so I looked for a nice toilet, to go to. And I think I found possibly the nicest toilet in Las Vegas, maybe the biggest toilet maybe in the United States, right? Possibly even the world. Obviously, I'm joking to all the Raider fans on the channel. I'm representing the 49ers, never going to switch up on my team. But, I mean, it's a really nice toilet. Check it out.